Let's be real for a second. Financial literacy isn't about being cheap. It's not about never enjoying your money. It's about control. Because here's the truth. You can make good money in America and still feel broke every month. And it's not because you don't earn enough. It's because money leaves faster than you realize. Today, I'll show you what financial literacy actually means, how to tell if you're good with money or not, and how to stop living paycheck to paycheck. What financial literacy really means. Financial literacy simply means knowing how to handle money in real life. Not theory, not complicated charts. Real things like planning a budget, paying bills on time, using credit wisely, saving money, and investing for the future. If you control your money, life feels calmer. If you don't, money controls you. The good news? This is a skill, and skills can be learned. 3 habits financially smart people have. Financial experts at Ramsey Solutions studied how financially stable people behave. They all follow the same 3 habits. 1. They use a monthly budget. A budget is just a plan for your money. It shows how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money actually goes. Your income includes salary, side hustles, and investments. Your expenses include fixed expenses like rent, mortgage, insurance, car payment, variable expenses like food, shopping, entertainment, travel, and savings. Without a budget, you're guessing, and guessing always loses. 2. They have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money saved for bad surprises, like losing your job, medical bills, car repairs. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses, ideally up to 12 months. Example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, a minimum emergency fund is $9,000 to $18,000. Ideal emergency fund is $36,000. This money is not for vacations. It's for peace of mind. 3. They invest in their future. Rule number 1. Don't take new debt until old debt is paid off. And never use credit for entertainment, buy clothes with borrowed money. Good debt is rare, but it exists. A home, education, tools that help you earn more. For example, if you're a designer, a powerful computer isn't a luxury, it's an investment that helps you make more money. How financially literate are you? Answer these honestly. Each yes is 1 point. Do you track your monthly spending? Are you actively reducing debt? Do you know your credit score? Do you know how much money you need to survive for 3 to 6 months? Do you have an emergency fund? Do you understand compound interest? Do you understand basic insurance? Do you use tax deductions when possible? Do you pay bills on time? Do you know the difference between saving and investing? More yes answers, better money habits. If not, that's okay. Awareness is step 1. How to improve financial literacy. Budget planning. You can use Excel, a notebook, budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. At first, just write down everything you spend, no judgment. After 2 to 3 months, patterns appear. That's when real change starts. The 50-30-20 rule. This rule helps organize money easily. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, fun, shopping, hobbies. 20% savings and investments. Important rule. Save first, spend what's left, not the other way around. How to stop impulse spending. Impulse spending is the biggest money killer. Here are 3 powerful tools. 1. The 24-hour rule. If you see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours, no exceptions. After 1 day, emotions calm down, logic comes back, and many purchases suddenly feel unnecessary. Most impulse buys disappear with time. 2. The stranger test. Ask yourself this question. If a stranger offered me this item for free or the same amount of cash, which would I choose? If you choose the cash, you don't really need the item. This test cuts through marketing tricks instantly. 3. Stop using shopping as a reward. Many people reward themselves with shopping. I worked hard, I deserve this. Or I had a bad day. That's dangerous. Shopping gives short-term pleasure and long-term stress. Instead, reward yourself with rest, experiences, exercise, time with people you enjoy. Those don't destroy your future. Be careful with credit. Credit is a tool, not free money. If you use a credit card, have a clear plan. Pay it off fully every month. Never miss payments. Your credit score, a number that shows how trustworthy you are with money, affects loan rates, rent approvals, and even job opportunities. Good habits equals lower interest equals more money in your pocket. Remember this, financial literacy is control. Budgeting is the foundation. Emergency funds protect you. Debt should be intentional. Saving and investing must be consistent. Impulse spending must be managed. Discipline beats motivation. Money skills reduce stress, they buy freedom, and they let you live better, now, not someday.